You know, for this Russian salad, they will send you to Gulag.
They are really sharp, these knives. You have to be really careful of your fingers.
I can literally throw it away if I'm cooking and it's not sharp enough.
I see that little nose.
Could you grab me a fork? It's only knives day.
It's a knives
It's a knives day and hands.
And when you serve it, you have to play balalaika and drink vodka.
He's going to have to do like a sped up version of this.
Yeah.
Today we are going to be preparing our own food and then taking pictures of it to give you some ideas of home food photography. What are you making today?
I'm making a typical Greek lunch or dinner, Greek salad and a steak.
Very nice. And I'm going to be attempting to make a Russian salad, which will be taste tested by a real Russian, and also a fruit salad. So let's see how we do.
Yep.
Apparently I'm doing this wrong because you're supposed to boil the potatoes first. I like a potato salad with the skin on, but apparently that's not the traditional Russian style. I'm going to try and make it as good as possible because it's going to be taste tested. In terms of carrots for a Russian salad, do you have them quite small as well?
Yes, but they actually boiled as well.
You boil the carrots? Okay, well I'm going to do my own spin on a Russian salad. It's going to be completely not what you thought it would be. It's the British Russian salad. It's a Russian salad once you've gotten your British citizenship. I usually eat carrots while I'm cooking, even if I'm not cooking carrots. It's just my go-to snack. Wow, how cool is that? Oh no.
And this olive oil is this year's from our farm in Greece.
Wow.
So the Greek salad is ready. It is by itself a course that, you know, we also like to have a steak.
Shall I saute some red cabbage?
Yeah, good
Put it
idea.
with the steak.
Yeah,
I'll do
good
this.
idea.
Yeah, so I'll use this. I was going to also use this for the pineapple, but I'll use this one. Okay. So this is an 8-inch chef's knife. Whee! But look how beautiful it is. That's what I wanted a picture of. Con, what combination would you use for food photography? Because the knife needs to be a bit.
Well, salt, pepper, a bit of olive oil, and always Maya.
I was thinking about camera lens combination, but anyway.
Well, 60 is really good. You can use macro lenses. I sometimes use just prime lenses, 15-85, if I don't need to, magnify it that much.
Yeah.
But also 85 perspective control is really good because you can control the depth of field. So you can make it from horizontal position to vertical, which is quite nice if you, let's say, have a nice dessert and just a little bit of, let's say, sauce drops or something on the back. And you can just rotate your depth of field to make them both sharp.
So now you're using the carving knife, the 8-inch carving knife, which is perfect for stuff like this, right?
Yes.
So let's see. I want to see you carve it.
Don't I use it
like a fork?
Yeah. How do I hold the steak? What do you use?
Just be a man and use your fingers.
Okay, cool.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, look at that. That's beautiful.
I don't want to take pictures of it, I just want to eat it. Now I'm going to chop up some sourdough as an accompaniment. Bread knives are always a bit of bone of contention for me. So I'm going to use the Wanbasion bread knife specifically for this purpose. The Wanbasion knives are made of stainless steel with a corrosion-resistant titanium coating. They're all very sharp. They come in various different colors and sets. We were sent very kindly the standard kitchen set, which contains 6 knives, and we've used them all here today. One important thing if you're going to be taking pictures of your food after preparing it is to have a clean space. Photos of food with crumbs or dirty utensils or dirty chopping boards don't really work in terms of presentation. So you kind of have to look at preparing the food as one type of art form and then taking pictures of the food as an entirely different form of art. So I'm going to clean up the rest of this space and then we're going to have a look at what equipment we would use to take pictures of it. You can use flash for food photography, but I wouldn't say that it's the best form of lighting. I think that constant light is probably better. A nice big window like this is perfect because you can then get all of this natural light. It looks much cleaner, it looks much more natural. Clues in the name. So let's take a look at a little setup, taking pictures of the individual dishes and also trying to maybe put together a scene, if you like. I'm going to intentionally overexpose because I want that kind of high key look. I'm also going to use a reasonably small aperture so that you get a little bit of a shallow depth of field. I'm also going to... Look at that! Isn't that beautiful?
Oh, fantastic.
Good enough to eat.
I wouldn't call it a Russian salad.
What kind of salad would you call it?
But as a South England salad, I would say it's absolutely fine.
Oh, good.